Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to hard reset the Nokia 2660 Flip mobile phone. So if you want to sell the phone or you want to start afresh with your phone, I'm going to show you how to hard reset it. You want to unlock the phone first by pressing the middle button and then the hash key. And you want to be on the home screen like this. And then you want to type *#7370 and then hash. Then you'll get this message: restore factory settings and delete all user data and settings. And then if you're happy with that, this will delete everything off your phone, including all your telephone numbers and messages and anything else you have saved. So don't forget to back them up if you need to. So let's unlock it. So if you're happy with that, you want to press the middle button to OK it. It'll say please wait. And then it'll turn off your phone and it'll be factory resetting as we speak. And then it'll spring back to life, as you can see. And when the phone turns back on, you'll need to start up like you've never used it before. So add in your language and all the other information. You can just skip this for now. There you go. So that's how to hard reset the Nokia 2660 Flip mobile phone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.